Checks may not be as popular as debit cards or online transfers, but they're still a major part of daily banking. And as a teller, your ability to handle checks accurately, spot red flags, and prevent fraud is critical. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to know about check handling, from types of checks to fraud indicators, so you can serve members confidently and keep your branch secure. By the end of this training, you'll be able to understand the different types of checks you'll encounter, apply the requirements for acceptance of each type, identify altered or forged checks, and what to do if you suspect fraud. Follow step-by-step procedures to process check deposits and cash it safely. Checks are a written order to pay money from one account to another. Even in 2025, they remain a trusted form of payment for businesses, payroll, and personal use. Why checks matter in banking? Large dollar amounts are often still processed via checks. Fraud attempts are common with checks because they're easy to alter. Accuracy in check processing protects both the financial institution and the member. Types of checks you'll encounter. Number 1, personal checks. Written by individuals from their personal checking accounts. Must have date, payee, numeric and written amount, drawer's signature. Number 2, business or commercial checks. Issued from a company account. Watch for multiple signers or signature stamps. Verify per policy. Number 3, cashier's checks. Guaranteed by the issuing bank. Safer, but not immune to fraud. Counterfeit cashier's checks are common. Number 4, government checks. Examples: treasury checks, tax refunds, Social Security. High value, often targeted by fraudsters. Extra verification required. Number 5, traveler's checks and money orders. Less common today, but still accepted. Must meet issue requirements and have counter signatures. For a check to be negotiable, it must include a date, not post-dated, not stale dated beyond 6 months unless government issued. The payee's name must match account holder if depositing. The amount written in numbers and words, they must match. A signature from the drawer. Endorsement by the payee on the back. Special conditions. Post-dated checks, often not negotiable until the date shown. Stale dated checks, generally older than 6 months, require supervisor approval. Third-party checks, endorsed over to another person, high risk, often not accepted. Fraud prevention is one of your most important responsibilities. Red flags for forgery, alteration. Check stock feels thin, shiny, or different from genuine paper. Maker line at the bottom is smudged or misaligned. Amounts don't match, written versus numeric. Check appears washed or handwriting looks altered. Missing watermarks or security features on cashiers, government checks. Member seems nervous or rushes transaction. If you suspect fraud, politely hold the transaction. Notify your supervisor. Follow institution policy. Never confront directly or accuse. Document the details for internal investigation. Always verify endorsements. Check ID against payee name. Compare signatures with account records if available. Never override systems warnings without approval. For large dollar checks, follow dual control or supervisor review. When in doubt, escalate better safe than sorry. Teller scenarios, case studies. Number 1, a post-dated personal check is presented for deposit. Correct action, inform member check can't be cashed until the shown date. Number 2, a government check with mismatched payee name versus account holder. Correct action, require endorsement by payee, verify ID, escalate per policy. Number 3, a cashier's check that feels off with a smudged maker line. Correct action, hold transaction, escalate to supervisor, follow standard operating procedures. Regulation CC sets rules for funds availability. Bank Secrecy Act requires reporting of suspicious activity. SAR. Internal policies may impose check holds or verification steps. Tellers are the first line of defense in protecting the institution from check fraud. Checks are still a big part of banking, and they're also one of the biggest targets for fraud. Remember to check requirements before accepting, verify endorsements, and always look for red flags of forgery or alteration. By following procedure, you'll protect your members, your institution, and yourself. If this training helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more teller training modules on cash, checks, and compliance, follow Jay Giddy.